reality, a word that feels solid and unyielding, a foundation beneath our feet. Yet, science and philosophy tell us a different story. Reality is multifaceted, shaped as much by perception as by physical facts. Researchers estimate that over 80% of our sensory data is processed by the brain, not directly experienced, but reconstructed. This means your world is not just seen, but interpreted. Today, we'll journey beyond what we think we know to uncover the mysteries of reality, its scientific structure, philosophical depths, and infinite possibilities. Over 2,000 years ago, Plato, the Roman philosopher, proposed a stunning idea. What if reality is only shadows on a cave wall, a mere reflection of a greater truth? In this allegory, prisoners confined in a cave perceive only shadows and mistake them for the entirety of existence. Today, virtual reality raises similar questions. Through advanced simulations, we create immersive worlds that feel just as real as the physical one. If both rely on sensory experience, how can we ever distinguish reality from illusion? Enter the quantum world, where reality defies intuition. The famous double-slit experiment shows that light behaves as both a particle and a wave, depending on whether it is observed. And then, there's quantum entanglement. Particles connected so deeply that their states are identical, even when separated by galaxies. Albert Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, and modern physicists agree. It challenges the very idea of locality and separateness in our universe. Is reality an objective structure, or is it shaped by observation itself? If reality is shaped by observation, then who or what is the observer? Neuroscience shows that consciousness builds our world piece by piece. For example, optical illusions reveal how the brain interprets visual stimuli, filling in gaps based on assumptions. More strikingly, the human brain can generate time, compressing memories and processing events at different speeds. Without consciousness, colors, sounds, and even time itself cease to exist. So, is reality out there? Or is it a reflection of the mind itself? Imagine a reality not singular but infinite. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every decision you make creates a parallel universe, a web of endless possibilities. In one universe, you might have chosen a different path. In another, your life could be entirely unrecognizable. Scientists speculate that if the multiverse exists, it would contain universes vastly different from ours, each governed by its own physical laws. Is our reality simply one fragment of an infinite tapestry? Could reality be an intricate illusion? Physicist Nick Bostrom's simulation hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations might create computer simulations indistinguishable from physical reality. There are intriguing hints. The universe operates on mathematical principles, from Fibonacci spirals in nature to equations governing gravity and motion. Even certain quantum phenomena, like the Planck scale, resemble coding limits in a simulation. If true, our existence could be the product of a higher intelligence, written in code. But here's the question. If we are simulated, does that make our reality less meaningful or infinitely more complex?